Kenyan Small Business Tax Tips in under 5 minutes. Simple habits to save money and avoid stress in 2025. Why this matters? Let's be honest, taxes can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be that way. These tips will help you stay compliant, organized, and stress-free. Tip number 1, keep proper records. Start by tracking all your income and expenses, even the small ones. Whether it's a notebook, Excel, or an app, just be consistent. Tip number 2, don't rely on verbal deals. Always have a receipt or written agreement, even with friends or family. Verbal deals may feel easy, but they can cost you later. Tip number 3, understand tax reliefs you are eligible for. Did you know you might qualify for reliefs like personal relief or insurance relief? This reduces your tax bill, so don't ignore them. Tip number 4, you can amend a return if you make a mistake. Made an error in your return? Don't panic. You can amend it on iTax. It's better to correct it early before penalties pile up. Tip number 5, keep copies of your filed returns. Always download your returns and e-slips after filing. You might need them for loans, tenders, or just to prove you filed. Tip number 6, know how to avoid tax legally. There is a big difference between tax avoidance and tax evasion. Use legal options like reliefs, deductions, and good planning to reduce your bill without breaking the law. Tip number 7, budget for tax monthly. Don't wait for the last minute rush. Set aside some money each month as a tax buffer. Trust me, future you will thank you. Tip number 8, know the difference between sales and profit. You are not taxed on your total sales, only on your profit. Know what is left after your cost before you estimate your tax. Final words, taxes don't have to drain you. Build these simple habits now and you will protect your hustle and your peace of mind. If you like this video, share it with your fellow business owners. Like, subscribe, and stick around for more free tax tips that are on your way.